display on case for battery status, 75 hours of playtime, fast charging, gaming mode, dual pairing are some highlights of these Number Navo Buds Z1 TWS earbuds. These are available at 999 rupees and they come in 5 colors: Summer Black, Autumn Mocha, Winter Blue, Spring Beige and Dusk Violet. You can buy on Flipkart, Amazon and numberfc.com, that is their official site. For a limited time, they are offering this at an introductory price of 799 rupees. So go grab it as soon as you can. By the way, we will be doing a giveaway of these earbuds, more on that at the end of the video. After unboxing, as always, first we see yellow boxes. It says 300k plus, happily using for music, calling, gaming, design in India. Here's the case, let's put that aside. Next, there is a small yellow box, let's put that aside as well. Next, there is documentation, stickers, user manual, a card with dual pairing details and welcome note. Let's put all of this aside and come back to the case and box. On the box, it says yellow Type-C cable and extra ear tips. Inside the box, well, as they said on the box, there is a cable and extra ear tips. Now, this is the case. As you can see, this case is plain and has soft plastic and it is black overall. On the front, there is number branding. On the bottom, there is Type-C port. Rest of it is plain. Once we open the lid, we see the display with battery status and the earbuds. The area inside the case is in yellow color, I guess following the numbers theme color. Now, these are the earbuds. On the back of the stem, it says number. Towards the top, there is LED indicator. That's also the touch area. On the other side, there are ear tips and some cutouts. And this area is in yellow color. On the bottom, there is charging plates. Now let's look at specs. It has 75 hours of playtime, fast charging. It can last up to 10 hours on single charge. This comes with a 400 mAh case. And with just 10 minutes of charging, you can get 2 hours of playtime. This also has 13mm titanium drivers, bass boost mode, quad mic ENC with clear voice technology, 35 milliseconds gaming mode, dual device pairing, 45-degree ergonomic fit, IPX5 rating, and as for weight, each earbud weighs 4 grams, the case without the earbuds weigh 32 grams, and the case with earbuds weigh 40 grams. Now let's look at the pairing process. Open the case or take out the earbuds, either way it enters the pairing mode. It will say Number Navo Buds Z1 on your phone. Tap on it and it is paired. As for dual pairing, we have done dual pairing before with Number Navo Buds N1. Watch that in case you want to see how it works. Link will be in the description. But just to give a quick summary, you can pair these earbuds with 2 devices and use them both simultaneously. That is, if you connect to laptop and your phone, you can hear things from laptop, and then when you have to answer a call, you can immediately answer the call on the phone and your earbuds will automatically work on the phone. It is a pretty cool feature. Now let's look at functions. Tap once on the right to increase volume. Tap once on the left to decrease volume. Tap twice on either left or right earbud to play or pause. Tap thrice on the right to play next. Tap thrice on the left to play previous. Tap 4 times on either left or right for Google Assistant. If you tap and hold on the right, you will activate gaming mode, and tap and hold again to deactivate it. And you can tap and hold on the left for bass boost mode and tap and hold again to deactivate it. Now let's look at the review. As for build and design, the case is pretty compact and light, looks nice as well, pretty plain and simple. The battery status display is pretty great. You can know the status without connecting to any device. Earbuds fit in ear pretty nicely. The 45-degree ergonomic fit they claim is really good. It does make some difference. And once you put the earbuds in, you can wear them for long duration and forget about them. And they don't fall off that easily either. As for audio quality, it is pretty good. It has an overall well-balanced audio, and even at lower or highest volumes, it sounds good. Bass is also nice. Call quality is also pretty good. There is no ambience noise at all, and signal reception is also pretty good. To conclude, Number Navo Buds Z1 or Z1 are pretty good earbuds for under 1000 rupees budget. And at 799 introductory price, we can definitely recommend these earbuds. Now for the giveaway. We will put a link to Google form in the description and also pin it in the comments. Just enter your YouTube username and your email ID on that list. Then comment something on the video with the same username. And we will randomly pick a winner from the comments in a week. By the way, this is the winner of previous giveaway for Navo Buds N1. Huge congrats to them. Hopefully, you will be the next lucky winner. May the odds be in your favor. That's it for this video. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.